Good morning to all. The course material on CE 3351 Surveying and Leveling presented by R. Rajiv Gandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. Good morning to all. Contouring. A contour may be defined as an imaginary line passing through points of equal elevation. Thus, contour line on a plane illustrate the conformation of the ground. A contour line may also be defined as the intersection of level surface with the surface of the earth. The best method of representation of features such as hill is depreciation, undulations, etc. A contour representation along with the ground profile is shown in figure. From the contour representation, it is evident that steeper the slope of the surface, the more crowded are its contour line. Hence, contour lines are usually found at space on a map or plane with different densities. This is curvature and refraction of ground profile. Contour interval. The vertical distance between consecutive contours is termed as contour interval. It is desirable to have a constant contour interval throughout the map. However, in special cases, a variable contour interval may also be provided. For example, in India, the high mountain region along the northern frontiers had to be contoured for some part at double the normal contour interval, ovaling to excessive average steepness. A variable contour interval is as far as possible avoided since it gives a false impression of the relative steepness of the ground in different part of the map. Slopes. Characteristics of contour line slope. A slope may be gentle or steep. A gradient up to 1 in 2.5 is referred to as gentle slope, whereas higher gradient are termed as steep slopes. A very steep slope is termed as scrapped. A high scrap is known as crab. This is a gentle slope, a steep slope. High lying forms. These are characterized by elevated ground. For example, hillock, and plateau. Hills are elevated ground, usually with the pointed peak. The contours of a hill are a bit circular in shape with increasing contour values in bands. Valley line and rigid line. The slope of a ravine intersected along a line refracted as the axis of the ravine, the line of discharge or valley line in case of valley. The contour part of ravine is rigid, convex from the terrain gradually declining in one direction. Two ravines are usually separated by more or less pronounced ridge. The line along with the slope interest in the refers to the axis of ridge. The watershed line is usually wave. Thank you.